This little MP3 player, it's quite simple to set up. As you can see, it's really small. Fits in your hand, fits in your pocket really easily. It comes with a decent length USB cable. Sometimes they might come with a cable that big, and this one has a decent size. It also comes with some earbuds, and as far as walking around, I don't run in them or anything, but I do like the ones that kind of hang down. I prefer these kind over the ones that have that bigger piece at the top that kind of go in your ear. I like them to kind of go down. That's kind of my preference. So I do like those, and it's really simple. You turn it on from the top. That's where you charge it. So you plug that here, and your folder, everything, it's not touch screen. I only am using it for music. So you have radio, you got pictures, you have ebook, you have video, you can record. You can do quite a few things on here, but for me, it's just the music, and you just hook that up to either your computer, or if you have the little other USB that you can hook up into your phone, and put your music into here, and it takes MP3, it takes WAV, it takes all pretty much the ones that you would have as far as music goes. So it works for me for what I'm using it for, and it's just really simple, not much to it, which is what I like. And if that's what you like, then you would like this. So have yourself a wonderful day.